So in this problem, we need to determine the value of the given trigonometric expression. Let us begin. Now clearly, we have here is the sum of two sine function in the numerator, sine 3x plus sine x, and in the denominator, we have the difference of two cosine functions. So, since we have the sum of two sine function, we can use the transformation formula, sine alpha plus sine beta, which transforms into the product of a sine and the cosine function. And for the denominator part, where we have cosine x minus cosine of 3x, we can use the difference of the cosine function, cosine alpha minus cosine beta, and that will transform into a product of a two sine functions. Okay, let us begin. So here, we'll start with the numerator portion, sine 3x plus sine x. We're going to treat 3x as alpha and x as beta. So this is going to give us 2 times sine of angle. So we have alpha plus beta, so that will be 3x plus x divided by 2. Multiplied to cosine of alpha minus beta, so we have 3x minus x divided by 2. And this entire expression is multiplied with sine x. Whole divided by, now in the denominator, we have cosine of x minus cosine of 3x. Now we are going to treat x as alpha and 3x as beta. So that means we will now get negative 2 times sine of angle alpha plus beta divided by 2 multiplied to sine of angle. So here we need alpha minus beta divided by 2. And we also have cosine of x multiplied to it. Fine. Let's further simplify. So we get 2 times sine of angle. So here we have 3x plus x. So that's going to be 4x. 4x divided by 2 will be 2x. Multiplied to cosine of 3x minus x. So that's 2x. 2x over 2 is simply going to be x. Multiplied to sine x. Whole divided by, now we have negative times 2 times sine of x plus 3x is 4x over 2. So we have sine 2x. Multiplied to sine of angle, we have x minus 3x, so that's going to be negative 2x. Negative 2x over 2 is going to be negative x. Multiplied to cosine x. Okay. Now what we can do here, so the sine of negative x, that can be also expressed as sine of negative x can be also expressed as negative times sine of x. The reason behind this, sine is an odd function. So since we have sine of negative x equals to negative sine x, and we also have a negative sign already present here, so they are going to get multiplied to give us positive. So we have 2 times sine 2x times cosine of x times sine of x whole divided by, so this negative will become positive, 2 times sine 2x times sine x times cosine x. Now the numerator and the denominator will get factored out, leaving us with 1. So that means the value of the given trigonometric expression, so that's going to be equals to 1.